Good day everyone, welcome back to BST African Electron Surgery, and we have this job. This is coming from one of our regular customer, and what the customer is saying, he's saying the laptop is turning on but has got BIOS password. So let's see. Power on. Yeah, I can see the power on button here. Let's just wait. So I want to make videos of how we are dealing with BIOS password. There are two options on how to deal with such kind of situation. The first step is to replace the BIOS chip. Secondly, you can still remain with that BIOS and reprogram the BIOS chip. Yeah, the laptop is on. I'm still waiting for the picture on the screen, like what the customer said. I'm still waiting for the picture on the screen. Hopefully it is picture. The customer said something about BIOS. Now no picture, or is delaying to give the picture. What's the story here? Let's take out the battery. Let's put back the battery. Let's power on again. The laptop, it has got picture. Was I tested before? There was picture. You can see the Dell log. Yeah, it is picture. Dell Security Manager. You see, the computer system is protected by a password. You cannot access the data on this computer without correct password. Please type the password. We don't know the password. That is the issue. You see, we don't know the password. So BIOS password. Replace the BIOS chip. Replace the BIOS chip or reprogram the BIOS chip. No screws on the back. You take this computer to another repair shop, and there are no screws. This is the back part, hard drive, RAM, and I can see the BIOS here at the corner. You see that big chip? That is the BIOS. We do have two BIOS chip here, so there's no need to take out this laptop. Okay, there's no need to strip this laptop. So let's see which BIOS to take here. Let's see. Let's see which BIOS to take here. We do have this BIOS. What kind of BIOS chip is this? That's Winbond. We have this Winbond BIOS chip. Maybe you can't see, but it is a Winbond BIOS chip. 25Q32. This is a 32-bit BIOS. Probably that's not the main BIOS chip. What about the other one? the other one, the other one 25Q64. So this one, the inner one under this speaker, that's the main BIOS. And that one is a 32-bit. That is the BIOS for backup. So we need to take out this BIOS. Yeah, this should be an easy repair. To replace the BIOS chip. This should be an easy repair. The BIOS is out. Now let's reprogram the BIOS. Let's reprogram the BIOS. That's the BIOS chip. Where's my programmer? Where's my programmer? 1 second. Let's see now. That's the programmer. So all what we need is to feed the BIOS into the programmer. Now we need to connect the programmer. We need to connect the programmer to the laptop. 1 second. Let's see now. Let's see now. So we've connected the programmer. Let's go on the screen. So what we have to do is EZP 2019 software. We open the software. It's ready. You can see here. Not connected. Now ready. Let's test. Chip has been detected. Winbond WQ64 8 megabit BIOS. Okay. Let's read the chip. We are now reading the chip because we have to see what is inside the chip. So let's wait while it's reading the chip. Yeah, this must be an easy repair. We don't expect much complications from such kind of jobs. This has to be an easy repair. Yeah, it's reading this chip. We must have some binary data written on the chip. After reading, we must see something. What did I told you? We have some, you can see all this data. All this data. So what I will do, we'll save this. We'll save this. Let's call Dell Latitude E5440. backup. Let's save on desktop. Save. After save, let's erase the chip. We are now erasing the chip. We are now erasing the chip. Erase complete. Let's close the program. Disconnecting the program, connecting back. Let's reopen the program again. Test. Now let's read the chip again. Just to make sure that the chip is empty, we have to read the chip again. Yeah, the procedure is very simple. So if you have problem with the BIOS password, either you reprogram the BIOS chip or you replace the BIOS chip with another BIOS. Or either you, if you have the same similar board, you can swap the BIOS chip. Yeah, so I'm reading. I want to make sure that the chip is empty. Chip is empty. Now we need to open. I do have this bin file on the library. PC downloads. I do have this bin file. This one. Open. Now let's write the chip. We are now writing the chip. We are now rewriting the chip. Hopefully it will work. Hopefully it will work. Yeah, that's the issue with the software things. They tried what they tried, but they couldn't manage to figure it out how you can remove the BIOS password. They thought it's just a software thing. If there's a method of how to remove this BIOS password without reprogramming the BIOS, let me know. Write complete. Now we have to close the program again. Open the program. Test. Now let's read the chip. Let's read to see if the BIOS chip has been successfully programmed. That's what we have to see. We have to see if the program has been successfully written on the chip. Yeah, my programmer is slow. I think I need to change this programmer with a different model. You have to wait and wait and wait and wait and wait. until it's over. Yeah, read complete. The chip has been successfully written. Let's close the program. Now what we have to do is very simple. What we have to do is very simple. We'll disconnect here, and we need the laptop. Let's take out the laptop. We need the laptop. So now let's put back the BIOS chip in position, just like that. Hopefully this is going to give us results. That should be fine. That should be fine. Now we are doing the final stage. I don't see anything out here. That should be fine. So what is left? What is left here? Yeah, they did something on this corner. I was supposed to take out the whole motherboard, but I seen someone was trying to do some shortcuts here. I don't understand why. Let's take out the BIOS battery. Let's short pins on the BIOS battery just to reset all the settings. Let's put back the BIOS battery. Yeah, let's wait. The board is too warm. You know that heat is not good in electronics. We have to wait for the board to cool down and then we can test. Where's the battery? We need the main battery for the laptop. We need the main battery. Let's wait. Let's see now. Let's put back the battery. Let's power on the laptop. On. It is on. And it's off. Yeah, we reset the BIOS. So it's coming on and goes off. Now on again. Dell. You see? Press F1 to continue. Yeah, it's trying to reload some settings. But you see, no bootable device found. Okay, you see, now we don't have the BIOS password anymore. Let's power off the laptop. On. Let's press F2. Let's go to BIOS settings. Now we are on BIOS settings. There's no more BIOS password. We need to change from Ligas to UEFI. Apply. Exit. Exit. Let's see now. No bootable device found. I think something is not right with the hard drive. We need to reload the operating system. But the good part, we no longer having BIOS password. That is the good part. That's the good part. The BIOS password is no more. Secure boot. Date and time. Let's correct the date and time. How can I correct this date and time? Month is 11, day, what the date is 10, year is 23, you see 18 of 43, otherwise everything looks fine here. Is it? No bootable device found. So let me load the operating system and we'll do the final test, but the BIOS password is no more. So that's how you can replace the BIOS, how you can take out the administration password. You have to replace the BIOS chip. You have to replace the BIOS chip. You can show no bootable, no boot device found. Otherwise the job is done. So I'll load operating system and we'll do the final test. But at this moment we are 100% sure that the problem is solved. Okay, so what I did, I tried to load operating system, that the hard drive, this hard drive is empty. So what they did, they see the BIOS password, they thought maybe that can be solved by formatting the hard drive. The hard drive was formatted. I tried to reload the operating system. Yeah, this hard drive, besides that, it's got some own errors, so I couldn't manage to load Windows on this. And I put my other hard drive, and the laptop is working fine. No more BIOS password anymore. So basically that's how you remove BIOS password from a laptop. It's not a software thing, and you can't do it by formatting the hard drive. That is a big mistake from another repair shop. They formatted this hard drive for the customer, and the customer lost files for nothing. They were not supposed to format the hard drive. On BIOS password, replace the BIOS chip or reprogram the BIOS chip. That's the only way to go. So I'll stop this video now. Like, subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell for future updates. Also share our videos to your beloved friends and relatives, and see you on the next one. Bye.